In this video, you will learn how to use your new Fanvil phone. You will learn everything from how to check your voicemail to how to pick up a parked call and transfer a call. Let's begin. To place a call, simply pick up the handset and dial your extension. To call an outside line, dial the 10-digit phone number. No need to press a 1 or a 9. To answer a call, simply pick up the handset. To answer a second incoming call, simply press the blinking line button. This will answer the new call and automatically place the first call on hold. To go back to the first call, press its line button and then press resume. This will answer the first call and place the second one automatically on hold. Whenever you miss a call, there will be a notification showing you the missed call. Press OK to see it. You can dial it or press return to go back to the main menu. Here we see that we also have a missed voicemail. To listen to it, press the messages button and then enter your PIN.
Password. You have one new.
From here, just follow the voice prompts to listen to your messages. Another way to check your voicemail when you see the notification is press OK. This will also bring you into the voicemail message center. The first time you're in here, you're going to want to press 0 for mailbox option so you can record your greeting and change your PIN. Okay, now let's take a look at the soft keys. What's interesting about your soft keys is that their functionality changes depending on what you're doing. If you're not on a phone call, you'll see certain features, but if you are on a phone call, you'll see different ones. Let's take a look at the features when you're not on a phone call. The first one on here is menu, which is essentially the settings of the phone. Next up is redial, which immediately calls your last outbound call. Next up is call forward. This will redirect incoming calls and send them to a new chosen destination. First you press call forward, then you enter the new destination you want the calls to go to. Then your phone will read it back to you and ask you to press 1 to confirm. Once you do that, any future incoming calls will not ring to your desk phone, but will be redirected to your new destination.
4 1 0 0 0. If it's correct, press 1 or press star to cancel. Unconditional call forwarding has been enabled.
To turn off the call forward, press the More soft key, which will bring you to the second page of soft keys, and then press -call forward.
Unconditional call forwarding canceled.
In the second page of soft keys, you will also see DND, Do Not Disturb. This will redirect incoming calls to your voicemail. To turn it off, press DND a second time, and this will deactivate it. On the second page of soft keys, you'll also see DIR for directory. This is your company-wide contact list. You can scroll through your contacts using the navigation buttons, or you can search by names by using the keypad. Let's take a look at some of the other buttons. These are your navigation buttons. This is how you can scroll on the phone. Over here you have your hold button. Underneath that you have your call transfer button and then your call conference button. We also have soft keys that serve the same functionality, which I'll show you in a minute. Here you have your standard keypad. Up here you have your directory, and underneath that you have your call history. Let's take a quick look at your call history. When you first press it, it shows you all your calls. If you scroll to the right, it'll show your inbound calls, then your outbound calls, and finally your missed calls. If you want to call one of these numbers, scroll up and down to find the one you want to call and then press dial. The remaining function keys are messages for your voicemail, headphone, info, redial, which does the same thing as we saw in the soft key, and finally you have your speakerphone button. Okay, now let's take a look at some of the functionality that's available to you when you're on a phone call. First, I'm going to place a call. Notice how the soft keys change. Now you're going to see transfer, and hold, and conference as some of the options. Let's transfer a call. To transfer a call, press Xfer, and then enter the extension or 10-digit phone number you want to send the call to, and press Xfer a second time to complete the transfer. Now let's see how to place a conference call. If you're on the phone with someone and you want to add a third party to the call, press the conference soft key and call the second person. Then when you have them on the line, press the conference soft key a second time and the three of you will be on the call. Later on, if you want to talk to each party individually, press the split button and it will become two individual calls. This will allow you to hang up with one party but continue the conversation with the other party. Next, let's take a look at the call park feature. When you're on the phone with someone and you want to park the call, press the More soft key and you'll see the Park soft key. Press the Park soft key and this will place the caller on hold but also assign an extension to them that anyone can talk to continue the conversation.
701.
Looks like the caller was parked at extension 701. Now anyone who dials 701 will pick up the parked call and continue that conversation. And this completes your Fanvil phone training. Hope you enjoy your new phones.